Good morning, children. In our first class today, I'm going to discuss about what is the topic name? See, my body. Our topic name is my body, right? So all people, you know very well about your body, right? I'm going to discuss. Listen carefully, all of you children. See, now we go for the parts of a body. So in our body we have the different type of parts are there. Okay na? So now we discuss about our parts of our body. All children, you can know about this one. The parts of a body means we have the head. That is what it will contain. You see here. So our body contains that. See. So what is that? Our body is a wonderful. Is it correct? What is our body is a wonderful or not? So definitely it is a wonderful. All kind of the organs are present in our body. Correct na children? All of you? Our body is wonderful. We do all activities using our body. We are eating, we are drinking, we are talking, we are running, we are catching the ball. So yes or no? So everything we do, all activities are using our body. So thinking and reasoning capability and make us so different. Everything. For example, we want to think, we want to do some activities, we want to sing, we want to do some different type of things are there, ma. Okay na? So this is called as our parts of our body. That is a major category of our parts of our body. Once you see here, thinking and our reasoning capability makes us different from other living creatures of the earth. Our ability to communicate, yes or no? So our ability means we are ready to communicate with other people. For example, I want to talk to other people. Okay na? I want to talk to other people. Okay, I want to think, I want to take a decision. Decision means, for example, which is a right, which is a wrong. Yes or no? So we are all people are human beings. The body is containing in our human beings, God given gift to us. Yes or no? The God given gift to us, we are make wonderful things in our daily life. Okay na children? Understood all of you what I said? So that is a very interesting and very informative. Okay na? So now we discussed in detail parts of our body. I'm going to discuss in detail. Okay. See, in continuation of that, our body has many parts. Correct or not? Our body is containing many parts or not? Are you ready to agree? Yes or no? Body has a different type of parts are there. Our body has many parts and each one has a different name. Correct children? And use. Okay. So different type of uses are there and different type of names are also present. Now we discuss by the names of our body parts. Okay na? Right? So these are the things are right to present. So it is a wonderful. We have the different type of body parts are there, and each and every body part is having their own work. Yes or no? Our body parts are having their own works. So that's why I'm going to discuss in detail. Once you see that, so parts of our body. Again, I'm going to keep a heading. There is a parts of our body. So I'll show the diagram. See here, this is children. See here in this, I'll write this is a different. See back and front side of the body. See here, all of you children. The boy is there na. Here the boy will appear na. The boy is the front side and back side. Both we are ready to observe. Now I'll show this kind of the. Okay. So eyebrow. First will comes to this left side is a eyebrow. Our body is containing eyebrow. Correct or not? Eyebrows are there or not? Where it will be? Here it will be there. Once you check. Eyebrows are there. You know this. You also have your eyebrows. Yes, you have also having eyebrows. And next one is a nose. Nose, where it will be? Nose also there. So this is a nose. Correct na children? And next one is a face. This is total, the part is called as a face. Okay na? And lips are there, cheek is there. Okay, chin is there, chest is there. This is a chest. You see that stomach means that is a bottom part of the stomach. Okay na? Okay, hands are there. Then this is a hand, and the legs are there, and toes are there. Means there is a fingers having toes or not. This a foot is also there. That is a knee is also there. These are all different kind of things are there or not. So we have many things, Amma. Once you check it, every body part their own work. Okay, the body part is having their own work. We cannot find out which is working, which is not working. Every body part having their own work. Okay now, right? And comes to the back side of this. So see that the shoulders, hair, head, neck, arms, elbow, everything, ankle. See here, just wait. Okay, see here we have the different type of things are there. So this is our body parts. So in detail I am going to discuss what kind of the body parts are right to present, and then what is the use of the body parts in one by one I am going to discuss with you. Okay na children? Okay na? Right. So now comes to the our my body, right? My body movements. You know, movements means there is each and every body part has to movement. So what is meant by movement? For example, I will show the diagram once you see. If a person is there, for example, just roughly I am going to draw. So here you can see that this is a person. So here just wait, wrong. Okay. Wait. This is a one person is there, for example. Okay. This person is right to move from the one place to from here to here. He wants to move. Once you see that the person is moving from A to B. A, this is a B. Right? Okay now. So this person is moving from A to B. Now this is a movement means what kind of things we use? We use the legs. What is that? Legs we are using. And if a person is right to just move with the legs. Okay. Right, changing of the object. For example, one book is there here. This we can do this. This is a book. You can keep that is a book. 1 minute. Book. That book is right to move one place to another place means by using of a hands. Okay na? So hands we are using. Okay na? So these are the things are right to present in our day-to-day life. Now in that body moves, we use our body parts. Yes or no? We use our legs. Just now I said na, legs are move using. So definitely we are using the legs to walk or kick or skip, run, anything. You can see that anything you can do it. Okay. So here this is we use our legs to kick, wall, and so run, jump, etc. We can wiggle our toes. Toes, you know, toes and fingers also. Fingers and so write with our hand. For example, I want to write. I am writing here. Once you see that. So here, suppose I am going to write something. Okay, na? Science I am writing here once. So how to? With using of a hand. Without using a hand, I can write it? No, it is not possible. Yes or no? Okay, na? So this is called as a with the hands lift things. While doing these things our body parts bends. Yes or no? Our body parts is right to bend or not? If you are right to do like this kind of the movements, hand is moving from one place to another place. I am going to catch, I want to write, I want to drink, anything. Our body parts has to bend. The bending makes movement possible. If without bending it is not possible. Yes or no? For example, I want to run. Without bending of my legs, it's possible to run? No, I'm not going to run. For example, I want to lift one object. Without bending of my hand, is it possible? No. So the movement will be there now. The movement is there means the place that bend in our body is called as a joint. You see that is very informative. Okay now. So where is that? Where that kind of all the places that bend in our body, where that body has to bend, that bending point is a joint. Okay na children? That bending point is called as a joint. Okay? Right, understood now? Yes. The body has to move. Then comes to the another one. Observe your hand. I'll show your hand. Once you see this, see this is a hand. Observe your hand, Amma. How it will be? The hand is look like a somewhat is a different. Yes or no? See the fingers are. How many fingers are there? Our hand has a 5 fingers. Correct now, children? All of you? All people, you have a 5 fingers or any extra fingers are there? Is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Okay, fifth one. Correct? 5 fingers only. Everyone has a 5 fingers. Extra finger, if it will be, if any person has extra finger also, it is not useful, Amma. It is not present. So that is a different. Okay, na? So here the 5 fingers are there. And in our after 5 fingers, once you see that we have this palm is there. Yes or no? See, I will show this palm. This is a palm. Palm is nothing but middle lines are there, na? All lines will be there. That is a so one of the activity. If I am going to catch one object, see here, this is a short one. This is a thumb finger is a short one, pointing finger is somewhat long, and middle finger is a bigger one, and ring finger is a small, and what is that? That is a last finger. Okay, that is a smaller one. Once you see that all fingers are not equal, is having the different type of sizes, means each and every finger has their own work to do it. Yes or no? For holding of a object or for making some kind of the activities. Okay now? Now let's we discuss about that kind of the discussion. See here. So we see that what does it mean? See here. So we see that we can bend our entire forefinger at 3 places. Once you see that, thumb at 2 places. Some 4 fingers we are using. See, I am showing the diagram. Once you see. See here, while writing or while doing some activity. See, this diagram will show them. So entire 4 fingers are right to bend at 3 places. Okay, thumb at 2 places. So some 2 places only thumb has to bend. Bending of our fingers, thumb and palm allows us to lift and use them things with our hands. We use our hands to squeeze, hold, pick, touch, etc. Our thumb plays great role in doing anything with our hand. Okay, na children? Anything with our hand. So these are the different type of activities can do it. So we can use any activities. If you go anything, we can do it with our hand. Especially is our hand. Fingers are having the different type of sizes of fingers. And see, this is the main category of that. That is what they explained that. So it can be, we can bend entire 4 fingers. So 4 fingers we are bending at a time at 3 places. Some places means 3 places. Thumb at 2 places only. Okay. So bending of our fingers, thumb and palm allows us to lift and use many things with our hands. So we use our hands to squeeze, hold, pick, touch, etc. Our thumb plays a great role doing anything with our hand. This is very important. Last 2 lines are very important, children. I'll show it again. Last 2 lines are, what does it means from here? So from here, our thumb plays a great role in doing anything in our hand. By using of anything. Okay, by using of anything, by doing anything, we can use by hand. Okay, na? Now comes to the another one. Okay. See, now without thumb we cannot use our hands and fingers to move things in a way we want to control. For example, I want to control one object. For example, simple. Just now next slide I am going to show the one activity. What kind of the activity we can use with our hand? Okay, na children? Is it possible to do some kind of activities? Okay, I'll ask one question to you children. You think yourself, without hand you can do any work? You want to write? You want to drink? Is it possible? For some people, the students are right to say that, no sir, I want to drink with my mouth. Okay, but it is not look nice. Yes or no? If you are ready to catch the glass and or anything, then you can ready to drink. Otherwise it is not good. Correct or not? What I said, 100% it is correct. Okay na? That's why we can use this kind of the fingers and thumb finger, pointing finger. How many fingers are there, ma? I'll write it here. How many fingers are there? 5 fingers, na? The 5 fingers means first one is a, what is that? First one is a, So first one is a thumb finger. Okay, thumb. So second one is a pointing finger, point. And third one is a, so what is that? Middle finger. Okay, and fourth one is a ring finger. What about the fifth one? What is the fifth one name? Ring finger after which one? Okay, in Telugu language we already know this. Okay, small finger. You can take as a small finger also. Anything you can take. Okay na? So clear na children, all of you understood now? Yes, this is the reason we have. See, this is activity. Once you see that the hand is there na, hand by using of a thumb finger, and we used to that kind of the fingers are there na, remaining fingers also right to control it. Without thumb we cannot use our hand. It is a confirm. Without thumb finger is it possible to do any activity? No. See, do it anything. Without thumb finger you can do any activity? No, we cannot do any activity. So we have to do activity by using of a thumb finger only. Okay na? Right, clear? Understood all of you? Very nice. And then next one, the fingers to move things in a way we want to control it. Okay? Yes. So then next one comes to the sense organs. I'll ask one question to you children. Sense organ. Sense means what we call sense. Sense means we want to do some activity. For example, smelling. So smelling is there na, I want to smell it. Then it is one of the sense, because our nose will use to smell it. Yes or no? For example, if you go for the going to feel as a hotness or coolness of our any object, is it possible to show anything? Yes, sense organs will help. How many sense organs are there, you know? Our sense organs are 5 sense organs are there. See how the 5 fingers are there, same as this 5 sense organs are there. I'll write it, 5 sense organ. First one is a eyes, so we can see. Okay na children? And second one is a ears. Anything you can write, but okay, ears, eyes and ears. And third one is there, that is a you know, nose is a one of the sense organ. Okay na? And fourth one here I will write, fourth one is a, what is that? Tongue. Okay na? So tongue. And what about the fifth one? Fifth one is a touch. Okay, touch or skin, your wish, anything you can write, but I'm going to write in your textbook. In your book they given as a touch only. That's why eyes, ears, nose, tongue and touch. So touch is nothing but it should be, it is a one of the, is a skin also. One more name is also there, this is a skin. Okay na? So skin is also there. So I'll show this one, sense organ. See here. Smell. Smell is a, smell means with a nose or not? So sight means by seeing of a sight, eyes only. Okay, 5 senses are there. One is the sight, hearing, Taste means with a tongue. Okay, touch means with a skin, and smell means it should be with a nose. Correct or not? All of you understood, children? So that's why. So we completed that one. That's all for today. So next class we'll discuss the next topic. Okay, children? All of you understood now? So that's it.